na nkethi cheru kiri kwa methene ya ndeto ya Meru TV rukiri wambita muthoni wa kiramana rukiro ntuke Jumatano tariki 28 cha mweri wa mbere mwakene turi wa 2027 kuwate wene akenda mbithira ngikumenyithia yarere kaunti ni yetu ya Meru ome ya Meru na kinya thiguru ni yetu yonthe ya Kenya tuthiatire kimitandao yetu yokinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya mona kinya tuthiatira akiri Signet na Pang Meru TV tukambiriria iritirikitio tukinyela methene yetu ya ndeto ya Meru TV rukiri orera chiari abethirite ebakira thina bakiuria nimbi bocho kiabio na anabochukuru nende kinya ntereche yembe arimi na kinya biashara bakimera kiamira kinya no bwo kuri bakiwa nende akwina nabo bethirite bakire mera mechi na tikwenda ete ende ni kwithira akwina wagi bombe chacho baike chukuru no tukimera kiamira ikithirite akikulukira thina kathumba kaita kwa kaito ntubura butumete nende bakuri thirikari yone na ate yabatete barari bakimera kiamira kenda utira anabo bakuthoma na kinyanja chio icho karabo ya ripoti mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Kome Mutia
mweri yakueyo makuma zukuru iliosokwa na siari beta kaune ya kuendia ana basini ya sekondari sukuru leu arimi na biashara bamira kuma mwiri oyo embe ne baitoretie utalelia mathina baingi bokulukire itenere kuitweka ana baingi bakirinde batasoka sukuru na kinya bara baweta sini ya sekondari bamwe ne batwekilite mesie nonto bakwara na kunuka kwa thina cia kemera na sio itura kwiru yuroyo naro akithina ithire bakere no tibu bwana kuoneka
skuru ira ruro mwankandari kene nkuthwania enembe ana batombo soka mwankabai skuru e bati kuthwana na umana yana witogeta na 20 baikuno tubwa service
thinere na Meru rutera rwembe atwe bila tuthoma ithiabio kana uchumi bwetu bila tona na biombecha ethaira imira
kiri arimi batongeretwe ni engineer enerinto imaria keloroso kumanterezi ya thiruje ne bariwa mawira neyo ndebekirwa kinyi mukathe babonde William Samuel Ruto ya kuthiria kateo zire itura ciaramirite thoko emirande kurune baimwanke Somalia yato kinyanira na kinya tongeri barabatumire Nairobi obamba iri baolerwa ibo
president yetu mukathe William Samuel Ruto ai kuya kuire mbere are letendi atera pisora aturwe ne wa Kenya rato mudure to wa Kenya le ira atuira ake ka Biblia mbe mantu ya mira yonde na kateli para ya na mira bonde akarikani nabo no nturuchuro age drena ro te diraro wa eche chukuma kana mpaka na bua mtora ne ambunge na kindrike bamurombere batiro mantu ya mira araua na umabwebu ngwara etigiria mantu ya mwana wetu kithure kindikia tiro mantu ya mira lakini kwirwa mantu ya miaka mwanka thayo tio tona kateli ba no kaba kuendelea kuria mira mwanka thai okathilungembe kwinana nkurukia ngirie 10 bara batajo baturi
inda kwenda kuwa batu twatare ambunge ba na batu tukiosia mira ne ingi na ndasiria ndu muntu weto muturia mwana uso kireria ai mbuge wembe onde na ngira kuruba eta ko president ba mwanda mira na mira yetikidwa juice yake MPS beto no barika na ringo batu ngaira kura mira ko London mwekuru weto ka yunu atumurigirete kura na tiulu kile Kenya ndo na mbunge na abude seria kwa tukamira ne Castro tukwambira kupamwa ringi ni antu ba Mombasa nara bambre kwa mera batikwenda no kwa tuka mbunge watu tuete kura maore moka no eta kotinya yuke koti Honda eko na mera kintu kibatu kwendo antu onde ne Kenya enduru ari ambunge babonde tutari teruari kinyomwe utio ko le denera ekuria muyembe
ni tumikeba utumanto mwakire atongeria thuro na kura kuma Merui na muno munini omukathe Professor Kithure Kindiki bebora ziba menyemire kare othethuke iteneri bariti ni otiringi korothethuka
atweruare ke Mount Kenya isi na thirikari wena CS roko nara ambunge beto na MCA bonda to bono tukuna muthanya na kwinange Iron Drone nara to na mwana eto deputy president nende loi tukare otethu thaire mireye kare otethu thaire twina thirikari inkwenda kuria viongozi betu irie korotethu
tukwenda kwira tongeria ba o bonka muntu twaringire kura untu ba twire arimi na twire biashara mbira tutumba wite tukwenda obera o bai mweri wele ba tu asa community ka tuitotura tukiwa ibari sign tutare bange ba tu ambire onto tetera kuthira kana todo ni seria sign cia liko kinyo thore te effective tore mwe ende nduto wetera umuthiro yakona 2027.
Nikiripotera Meru TV kumembe mbeta wakome omutia
Orera murimo ya nyimba yotwikite mpanga Meru na kinya antere cionthe cia nthiguru ya Kenya nende rutere rwa buri kuntu kumenyekana ya kwa kome kwina ana batiba tene na nyuma yawe kumba kwithira akirwa na murimo ya nyimba ko kaita kara ya ithe watu ana tuka na mukuru omukuru rombero kwithira gitutia nende ndi muntu atina akiri njo ntu burabu tumite aturi abakawana baba kethira bakira thino na nende no ntukwithirite kwina kaita gaka umo akinya bakerio kandana na murimo ya nyimba untu burabu tumite ana bamwe abethira bagita chukuru no ntuba kwa chembecha chia kuthoma haturi ibakurie mwingi uchumire na utire nendi botethia nja yamana kinyotira ibakumba kuthira betetheria kiri kuotha mbecha chia mathiko riboti mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Mwende Olaiboni.
Orera kinyamara kia murimo yo kansa kitete na mbere kurumira kaunti ya Meru riu mucii umwe kuma kwa komero ire rwarerane yutina twana kathomba turentiwa na bone nyuma ya ikuo kiinana rieto piurite kinya na oratori bakua niwe oraritwike mucii yu bakiwa riu kuria kana kuthoma ko twana tune kuremete buru
muciari mamojo kinyajirwe murimo yo kansa atwire athangikite njabo ikwendia bira bionthe barare abio bukejotegera gwetu na aruire rwarera ibiomire gwikyo turaketha kinya kira tumba kuga tugeta kwerencha ke mwarimu kenda twitikiria ya mwana omwe of form 3 na tere kuma last year
wengwa nuoromba matiwa bujana bawe gwita icwaga ibaruga wara kona wara geita kabaretera bya kuria ona gachwiria na mwankombwa mwankana ande batwie kuku utiirio utimbi kinyara tura kiromba nturene bya kuria etakarumu akaretera na bawe mwanka akinye gitara kuigwa watumba kuona ndawa na bwawe arakwire nonto bakwaga kinyambi utegintu enakyo
nkulukini bakuria ntu bawendi weo amona thirikari na keo kenene otiela ni botonyera na kuona na bane bocoka cukuru uamona otielo turo bone buwita na mbere
nkwaragia mantu jegie ana ba civiliano ibo kuona ngina gwita na nora gitugi kianja yiji ana baba ibakwenda kuthoma na ibakwenda kwenda mathomo jao kwa na ndio rankugaga nkurombaga atire antu ba wendo bubwega o aria bari no rio kaigwa report yiji kethera wombo tutethia ana baba bakendera na mathomo jao bubwega burengithwa kwikugwithwa gwakwa
atukuromba MCA na MP uria okaigwa kwambiria nandi one ana bau bagwita nuntu mame na ana baba inge na nandi ara batigi batwe kinya twe jamwirega na family katukwenda kuona uria tukaga ana ba nturene
endi babega no bategenjeje bona ana ba ni ana baba inge ni ana ba inyekaniriitwe nuntu batikuona bya kuria ona inyethe orori kwi muntu uticiumbira ona inyanje yongotaka kwi muri kubombo bajukiria bomba kumbo batethia nande no bamutethie bakenda nabo bakomba gukara bwega
nakyo kiriro kingi ni kiri thirikari kuona ati ngarama cia murimo yu kaitakara muntu esibitari ni kwinama bakiwa baingi bateya uturo nontu batumba kurea mbeca ii
murimo juju na goro muno na thaingi rira muntu agwatwa murimo juju kuretweka agutumira mbeca cionthe kwa njai u yatigwa ithini kabisa lakini nontu ndawa ici na goro muno thirikari ringi atirisi funguza ngarama yeje ndawa ikethirwa cie shipa na atirisi kwatwika muntu wonde na kugitata muntu wonde na kuona unduma na twakara bwega
nyomwe ka sha ne gerwe itegero thirikari itegero bwega yonwe kinyanto ba kansa na mbicha ire ikwirirwa ni at least ni kwithira twitethagwa bonge ndagwachia kuthiria oruru ichiete thina na ikwithira chie na mbeca nyingi tuketha batu twi community tutiomba
iba tutethie family yetu chomba chethea chena kamurandi ka utethwa no ntoke kwa ile anja ye Cyprian ana baile bakwenda utethio kwa hivyo thirikari nkuromba bwethia bwina kamurandi gotethia antu betu babe mashinani.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma bore mbeta wa mwende wa Laiboni.
Iba mno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Murwa Meri wankiama yoringithari bakura IEBC wejekene ya Erastus ethokona na chumiriti na kuabone ndi bakari yankiama bachumaniritie anaweka mustari yo mbere bura bakubangirithurano binene na kinyithurano binini bira bithirite bigete na mbere ntere mwanya na kinya gutigira aringi kura ibakomba kwithira bakithomethwa batana we yabokomba kwithira baichumire no chiandikithia abakari ya ringi kura bakiwa thaina ndete ko kaita kabo akakwithira bakiongela kana utaura mbunge ende kethere kwibia taura na kuongelwa bikuongelwa anyuma ya kura cha mwaka yo 2027 achiethira chikiringwa.
The commission is currently managing critical electoral cycle activities including by-elections which we completed the bigger part in November last year. We still have a few more by-elections in Mbere. We have others in Malava and of course Isiolo. And we are also managing continuous voter registration. We are also dealing with institutional reforms. There are a number of laws which we are currently working on to be presented to Parliament. We are also dealing with the challenges around voter education and stakeholder engagement as we prepare for the 2027 general elections. So therefore, what we are telling the nation is that undertaking full delimitation alongside these other competing and equally critical obligations would create significant operational bottlenecks and I insist, may compromise the overall electoral preparedness for the 2027 general election. While therefore aware of such constraints, the Commission has made a decision to undertake limited and phased activities towards electoral boundary reviews without compromising the quality and the level of preparedness for the upcoming general election, which is fast approaching. So the operative word is we have made a decision to undertake phased activities and limited activities towards the boundary delimitation without compromising our levels of preparedness for the 2027 general election. Kenya has 290 constituencies, and that number, the Commission, even if we were to conclude this boundary review ahead of the 2027 general election, and I say if, we cannot increase these constituencies beyond the 290. Neither can we reduce them to below 290, because it's the Constitution that capped them, that placed them at 290, nothing more, nothing less. So we would like to inform Kenyans that what any boundary review process will look at is reviewing the names of those constituencies and the boundaries. We can change the boundaries to ensure a constituency with a large number can accommodate, with a smaller number can accommodate some populations from that constituency which carries more populations. But we cannot change the number of constituencies.
Orera mpumichia na baraba burudi kiro kia form 4 mwaka yo 2025 chirombere kwithira chikiumira nende achiari na kinyana ibo betu kwithira bakiuru bete kuthomera chukuru chyo bundi na utiake na bethira bakiwatira kosi ira chia batethia uturo neno ntunaino bakomba kwithira bakichiandika baibongo na batikarie abakiwa gutina nguya kumba kwithira ikiandika ayuthi no ntunaino bakethira bakichwira twanya tungwi baibongo na bethire bechiandika baibongo na kinya akwandika ayuthi barabangi bethirite batina ngui chagwita riboti mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Mutugi wa Kiambe.
Ondire nayo thirikari yanjirite gwikira nene kithomo kia modularization kiri cukuru cia TVET aja nthigurune mutaratara jukuinyiria nene kithomo kia utea Penina Ngina Musila uria ni mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Nkabone Tekniko akiuga mutaratara juyu ni jukwamurithwo utea na umenyo bubwingi na kuthondeka twanyota ngugi kuumana na wagi bwa ngugi na ugaruku bwa teknolojia nthigurune.
Modularization is the best thing for students. It is the best mode of training to our modern trainees. Why? Because it is skill-based. It's all practical. We have shifted from being in a classroom to training from a workshop where the students from morning to evening, they are gaining the skills practically. So within 3 months, you are set for the first summative exam. So, and the skill that we shall impact to you are even enough to go and start a workshop on the same.
Penina akinyiriane na ubatu bwari twabararikirie form 4 gwitonyithana na cukuru cia ubundi na utea ni kenda bakagwata umenyo mbere ya gwita university.
Encourage those leavers who cleared school to join TVET institutions earliest possible, because the more you are idle at home, the more you will get maybe lured into some of risky behaviors like taking drugs and all that. So parents, bring students to TVET institution. TVET is the answer to our days economy, because we are offering skill-based training. So join to the nearest TVET, and I want to encourage those that are near Nkabone to join us, and you will get skilled.
Penina kwaragia nyume ya gutariria umbani bwawe na uchamba na kugwetwa kanyene gatu na kirie kurubathithite bwega ja nthigurune.
My track record starts at Mitungu, now National Polytechnic, where after joining that institution, in a term's time, I was appointed to be a registrar, and the first reporting of the population was 130 trainees. And within a year, we were at 1,300. Then I went to Mbeere North TVC to start this college, where I started by even labeling the gate and the building so that people can know this institution is called Mbeere North. I gave myself targets to achieve. One of the targets that I meant that time is to ensure that the college is registered with TVETA, and the courses that we were to offer will also be licensed by the same body. After 2 years at Mbeere, I moved to Nkabone, and I want to appreciate my bosses who saw it good that I come and be a principal at Nkabone TTI.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia North Imenti, Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ndisi si mere mwangi urani wa na nende na chumirite na kuga ati bo baina chibo sub county sub county ametungi bachirutanite na utire bakomba kwethera bakirwa na Nchobi ndege ni watho bakio bara bakawatikana na Nchobi bakethera bakiwikirwa Italia ria kiwatho no tukinya Nchobi itithirite kitikirwa ikwendwa ntere ichi ya mitungu. Jeff agitume mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto na ripoti.
The last 2 quarters, chiefs have been able to arrest quite a number of offenders, na tumeassess pia ile pombe ambayo tumeweza kushika na kupeleka katika koti letu la Nkobo, na ninaendelea kushukuru chiefs, na tukisema pia kwamba tukaweza kufikia zile vijiji ambavyo hatujatoa mugacha pombe haramu na mihadarati, pia tukaweza kuingia huko na tukaweza kutoa hizo pombe zote ziko katika area zetu. Kwa wale ambao ni wanabiashara wa bar operators pia tunawahimiza pia muendelee kuzingatia masaa za biashara, ndio pia tukaweza kulinda watu wetu. Usiuze pombe masaa ambayo haifai. Tusiuze pombe ambazo pia ni badia. The contrabands, they have a lot of health effects to our people. Tumepanga kazi ya mwaka huu, tunaendelea kupanga kazi ya mwaka huu, na tumepanga hata mikutano ya peace meetings, because as we gear towards the election, we need a lot of peace forums, barazas through chiefs, so that we can set the pace for a peaceful election come next year.
Ibuya muno tubo tuthiatira kirindeto chia Meru TV rukirita na mbere na ututhiatira kinya kimitandao ne yetu yo kinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube no ntinchokerete ndene kiri gichunjiketo kia bielike mubango ya turingemera tukethira atukimurika ngatheti ya The Daily Nation na kenda kumenyera karikite Meru ya Meru na kinya thiguru ne yetu yonthe ya Kenya na nturingi ngatheti chitwe ya kanya akinyaga kumenyekera kiwita na mbere nthiguru ne kana omenya nthiguru ya Kenya.